sunk or in deep, at least it's not broke down like a Jeep. Been stuck in the bush 4 or 5 days, all on down the pathways. So hard to get anywhere near it. Can't get in front, the truck won't fit. 1 truck, 2 truck, even 3 trucks. It's full and full, but still no luck. It's in the spot where the road don't go. It's so dark, you need the headlight glow.